Welcome to Prime AI's clothing size recommendation tool. Prime AI technology helps you find the size that's right for you without physically trying clothes on. We match your body in real time at product level, making online clothes shopping more efficient and eco-friendly. Get instant personalized sizing recommendations on every product page after using the tool once. Size out of stock? Get alternative recommendations that are in stock. Simply enter your age for better accuracy as body mass distribution changes with age. Enter your height and weight. Provide optional body shape information. Enter your bra band and cup size for more precise recommendations. Switch country sizing tables by clicking the flag icon. Choose your fit preference, very tight, regular, very loose, or in between. You can easily go back and edit any of your information. Use the provided buttons to step back or start over. Shopping for others? Adding a new profile is simple. Simply click the profile icon, click a new profile and enter the name. Select the gender, switch profiles anytime in the settings. The new profile's name will appear at the top left so you know whose size recommendations you're seeing. Your data is stored securely and is never shared. Only your size information is kept. Click the feedback button to share your thoughts. Please leave your email address if you'd like us to contact you. Want to stop receiving size recommendations? Go to Settings at the top right of the pop-up, click on Privacy Policy, click Delete Cookies at the bottom right. Alternatively, delete cookies in your browser settings. Why do you see a red exclamation mark? Red exclamation mark indicates a gender mismatch between your profile and the item. You can still get size recommendations for cross-gender shopping. Using our clothing size recommendation tool helps reduce carbon footprint. By finding the right fit, you help reduce waste, save on shipping emissions, and enjoy a better, more comfortable experience. Ordering the wrong size? Enjoy a more personalized shopping experience with Prime AI's Clothing Fit Finder. Our friendly AI learns and improves with your use, helping others. Happy community shopping with Prime AI.